If you want to install WhatsApp on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then we can use the Play Store app to do so. And you need to have a Google account to be able to download apps from the Play Store. So if you don't have Google account, if you are not signed in, then you will see the information pretty much immediately when you try to open the app. But it is really easy to either create an account or just simply sign in. Once you are in, you can press search at the bottom, then tap on the search field, and we can enter the name of the app, which is WhatsApp. And of course, this is the app that we are looking for. Make sure that it is the correct one. It should say WhatsApp Messenger, made by WhatsApp LLC. And we can press this install button. Now we need to wait for the app to be downloaded and installed on your phone. And once it is done, you should be able to open it from here. And also the app will be added to the app drawer of here as well. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.